It all started here. The Sierra of Perdón is the origin of the wind industry in our region, Navarra. 24 years ago, the first 6 windmills were installed in the region, which gave rise to an industry in which Navarra is a pioneer and a reference worldwide. Navarra is a world leader in the wind sector, with more than 100 companies that make up the supply chain in wind energy.
Navarra en 1994 se plantea hacer un proyecto de 1000 megavatios cuando en el mundo había instalados únicamente 4000. Eso supuso mejorar en 2 órdenes de magnitud la escala de los proyectos eólicos. Eso era absolutamente necesario si queríamos conseguir pasar la energía eólica de los 4000 megavatios que suministraba entonces a los 5 millones de megavatios que probablemente suministrará al final de este siglo. Para conseguir esa mejora de 2 órdenes de magnitud fue necesario concebir un proyecto capaz de hacerlo. Hubo que plantearse conectar no en las redes de distribución sino en las redes de transporte. Fue necesario conseguir una aceptación social enorme a la implantación del proyecto. Fue necesario hacer una industrialización que fuera capaz de suministrar a gran escala y en cualquier lugar del mundo esos suministros, y creo que todo eso es lo que aportó el proyecto eólico navarro. Si hacemos una referencia de quiénes fueron los 3 países más importantes en el desarrollo eólico mundial, yo diría que claramente Dinamarca fue el país pionero, Alemania fue el primero que en su sistema eléctrico implantó las energías renovables con más fuerza y como ejemplo de todos los demás países, y Navarra, como punta de lanza de España, fue el lugar en el que se diseñó la escala de los proyectos que después servirían para que la energía eólica esté hoy en el lugar que ocupa.
This is Enercluster. Enercluster is an association of companies and entities working in the wind energy sector of Navarra. Enercluster is an active agent within the Smart Specialization Strategy of Navarra, also known as the S3, which is promoted by the Department of Economic Development of the Government of Navarra. Our mission is to engage all stakeholders with the capacity to strengthen the wind energy sector of Navarra and to become an active agent in the global wind sector. Enercluster participates in the diversification of the activities of the industrial sector related to wind energy, the collaboration of research, development, and innovation projects, and the search for new international markets for its products. And finally, to improve the competitiveness of the companies and associated institutions. Our cluster is comprised of more than 30 companies, which make up the entire supply chain, including OHMs, first tiers, second suppliers, and utilities, all of them working together to produce the new generation of wind turbines.
Navarre is a unique place for wind energy business. In a relatively small territory, we count 3 global players of the wind industry. The world's largest pure renewable utility and 2 reference wind turbine manufacturers, being among them the world-leading company. The action of these 3 giants has created along the years a vast component supplier network, ranging from power electronics to big steel cast and forged parts, including all major components of a wind turbine, such as blades, nacelles, and towers. Starting from business development to operation and maintenance, through the complete life cycle of the product, engineering, manufacturing, construction, and world-class testing facilities, technology centers, and universities. That's Enercluster, the wind energy cluster of Navarre, employing more than 13,000 people and generating 6,500 million euros of revenue stream. That's the green power of Navarre.
In Navarra, each and every one of the components that makes up the parts of a wind turbine, such as castings and large pieces of up to 65 tons, are perfectly machined with extreme precision. In the manufacturing process, blades and nacelles are produced with critical accuracy requirements in various types of materials, such as foundry, forge, and sheet metal. Treatments and surface finishes on industrial components are adapted to the needs of the customer, always from a respect to the environment and adapting the productive processes in pursuit of a more eco and responsible energy policy. high-precision bolts, mechanical components, braking systems for wind turbines, welding procedures, to the most sophisticated electronic components for the control of wind turbines, as well as energy services. Our engineering and consulting put Navarra's wind turbines at the forefront of the sector. From our control centers in Navarra, we control and supervise the state of our windmills and provide preventative maintenance for a large number of wind farms scattered around the world. Teams of engineers check and recheck the status of the wind turbines in real time, informing the park technicians of the tasks to be performed. We are in the process of building a 160-meter high tower where green energy and responsible construction are fused to optimize the performance of wind turbines. Navarra is at the forefront of the global wind industry, providing new research, development, and innovation. Our region is proud to host the National Center for Renewable Energies, also known as CENER, which develops research applied to renewable energies and provides technological support to companies and energy institutions. It is a technological center with recognized prestige and activity, both in Spain and in other European countries.
CENER is the National Center for Renewable Energies of Spain. We are a public technology institute focused on applied research and technical assistance to make renewables the most competitive source of energy. Our fields of expertise extend to several renewables such as PV or CSP and comprises key aspects such as storage, grid integration or smart cities. Wind is so far our largest unit. We do research and provide services worldwide. Our scope is mainly international and we try to provide the whole wind community with the most useful and advanced knowledge and validation facilities. We are very fortunate to have some of the most relevant and innovative companies no farther than 100 kilometers away from our main office in Navarre. This very particular reason led in fact the government of Spain to settle us in this region. I can say the local companies make good use of our capabilities to be at the very front in technology. We have no doubt that Navarre is one of the key spots to keep an eye on for wind energy innovation and competitiveness.
The Navarran universities supply the sector with students, providing companies with professionals specialized in the wind sector. serving as a quarry and guaranteeing the future and progress of the sector within our community. Both the University of Navarra and the Public University of Navarra are committed to training programs and pioneering projects, so that Navarra continues to be a world leader with the largest number of technicians trained in wind energy. The government of Navarra is an active supporter of the wind sector, naming it one of the key priorities of the Smart Specialization Strategy of Navarra. It is estimated that the sector will grow around 12% through the year 2030.
The government of Navarra is committed to sustainable growth. In our economic strategy, updated in 2016, the renewable industry was identified as one of our key sectors in which we have leading positions in R&D, capacity and employment. 20 years ago, the sector was created in Navarra, and nowadays we can say that our region constitutes a real ecosystem for the development of this industry, with the National Technological Center of Renewable Energies, the SNER, a training system, public policies promoting the activity, a group of engineering companies and a remarkable network of suppliers. So, with all this, we can affirm that Navarra is a specialized leading region in the drive for a sustainable future.